खुश रहो। IJBN डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम BSc B.Ed PCM 5th सेम कोर्स पेडागोजी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एंड सेशन ऑफ टुडे इज टीचिंग एड्स एंड इंस्ट्रक्शनल मटेरियल टूल्स फॉर टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स. Very important topic is the psychologist, designers, educationalists and many professors around the world work on improving the quality of education because a lot depends on the education of a whole generation. The resources a teacher uses while teaching play a role in how students learn. Motivation, stimulation, retention, interest, actionable learning, etc. can vary based on how the act of teaching occurs. In this article, I will be covering how the teachers of tomorrow can leverage digital interaction and technology to facilitate learning. Traditionally speaking, we are talking about teaching aid and instructional material. If you want to know why these help in learning, you can read this article on the psychology and neuroscience behind it. Teaching aids and instructional material. Teaching aids are objects such as book, picture or map, or device such as DVD or computer used by a teacher to enhance or enliven classroom instruction. They could be audio-visual teaching aids such as videos and guest lecture, or tactile like 3D models, etc. Instructional material are defined as a resource that organize and support instruction, such as textbook, tasks, and supplementary resources. It refers to the human and non-human material and facilitate that can be used to encourage, improve, and promote teaching and learning activity. They are whatever materials used in the process of instruction. The Great Soviet Encyclopedia defined IMS as educational resource used to improve students' knowledge, ability, and skills, to monitor their assimilation of information, and to contribute to their overall development and upbringing. Broadly speaking, any device that helps teach can be called a teaching aid. These devices can be traditional items such as blackboard and flannel boards, as well as modern devices such as tablets and projectors. Scientific tools such as telescope and microscope could also be used as teaching aid in a given context. Two overarching common factors between most teaching aids mediums that promote sensory engagement and stimulation. These are the non-electronic, that is chalkboard, flipboards, slates, photos, telescope, etc. Electronic, PowerPoints, slideshows, videos, augmented reality, virtual reality, Google's AV room equipment, etc. Auditory, radios, tape recorders, CD player, etc. Visual, slide projectors, digital screen, etc. Audiovisual, YouTube content, Vines, TED Talk, live streams, documentaries. Audiovisual and tactiles, 3D models, plants, rocks, field visits. So what are instructional material? Instructional materials are those items that assist the information aspect of teaching, non-teaching holistically. These could take the form of textbook, worksheet, 3D models, charts, infographic, etc. Instructional material also include assessment and testing method. Basically, any material, any information containing resources which that the teachers use while instructing. Now, testing materials don't necessarily contain information, but they help the retention and learning in information. Thus, they are instructional materials. Sometimes they are a mean to an end, and end being the assimilation of information. So, I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.